Want to turn your AI-generated art into real cash? MidJourney isn't just for fun, it's a powerful tool for making money online. In this guide, I'll show you 10 proven ways to profit from MidJourney even if you're a beginner. Let's dive in. 1. Sell AI art on stock photo sites. Best platforms? Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, Etsy for unique digital art. Pro tips for more sales. Focus on high-demand niches like cyberpunk and sci-fi art, fantasy landscapes, surreal portraits. Use detailed keywords like AI-generated mystical forest wallpaper. Earnings? $0.25 to $10 per image, scales with volume. 2. Print-on-demand business, no inventory. Top platforms? Redbubble, t-shirts, posters, and stickers. Printful, connect to your own store. Teespring, custom merch. Best-selling AI designs? Trendy abstract art t-shirts, motivational quote mugs, wall art for home decor. Profit per sale? $5 to $50 plus after production costs. 3. Sell AI art as NFTs, crypto income. Best NFT marketplaces? OpenSea, Rarible, Foundation. How to stand out? Create a themed collection like Cyberpunk City series. Tell a story behind each artwork. Collectors love this. Potential earnings? $50 to $10,000 per NFT, depends on rarity and hype. 4. Design logos and branding for clients. How to start? Generate logo concepts in MidJourney. Polish in Illustrator or Canva. Sell on Fiverr, AI logo design gigs, Upwork. Price range? $20 to $200 per logo. Easy side hustle. 5. Create and sell AI art coloring books. Hot niches? Adult coloring books, Zen doodles, fantasy art, kids activity books, AI-generated characters. Where to sell? Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, Gumroad. Passive income, $5 to $30 per book. Scalable. 6. Sell AI art templates. Easy money. Popular template types? Instagram story templates, YouTube thumbnail packs, greeting card designs. Best-selling platforms? Creative Market, Etsy. Price, $5 to $50 per template pack. Sell repeatedly. 7. Grow a social media page and monetize. Strategy? Post viral AI art daily, Instagram or TikTok. Use hashtags like AI-generated art. Monetize via brand sponsorships, selling prints or designs. Earnings $100 to $5,000 a month with 10K plus followers. 8. Freelance as an AI artist. Top freelance sites? Fiverr, AI digital artist, Upwork, MidJourney designer. In-demand services, game character design, book cover art, album cover art. Pay $50 to $500 per project. 9. Start an AI art YouTube channel. Video ideas? How I made $1,000 with MidJourney AI? 10 mind-blowing AI art prompts. Monetization? YouTube ad revenue, affiliate links like MidJourney subscriptions. Earnings? $500 to $10,000 plus a month with 100,000 plus views. 10. Build your own AI art store. How? Use Shopify or Gumroad. Sell high-res AI art prints, promote on Pinterest and Instagram ads. Potential? Unlimited. Scales with traffic. Roki, which method will you try first? MidJourney can be a full-time income source if you take action. Start with 1-2 methods like Redbubble plus NFTs and scale up. Comment below with which strategy excites you most. Subscribe for more AI money-making tips.